Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're tackling a full walkthrough of how to install a commercial fire alarm system in a residential property. We'll go step by step through devices, wiring, programming, and everything in between. So let's jump right in. What you'll need. Here's what you'll need for this install. Fire alarm control panel, fire alarm annunciator, initiating devices, such as smoke detectors, heat detectors, and pull stations. Notification appliances such as horn strobes, or whatever you prefer. SLC/NAC modules, wire 18/2 or 14/2, depending on device type. End-of-line resistors, conduit, mounting boxes, fasteners, addressing tool for detectors, if not dip switches, laptop with configuration software if required. Planning the layout. First, develop a fire alarm layout. You'll want to identify where you'll install smoke detectors in each sleeping area and corridor, heat detectors in kitchens, utility rooms, and garages, pull stations near exits and stairways, notification appliances in living spaces and hallways. Mounting devices. Mount your devices using manufacturer guidelines. Keep smoke detectors at least 4 inches away from walls, and avoid placing them in corners. Horn strobes should be mounted at 80 to 96 inches from the floor for visibility and audibility. Wiring. Next, wire the system. Use Class B wiring for initiating devices. Loop from panel to each device, ending with an EOL resistor. For notification circuits, which is what NAC stands for, use dedicated wire with correct polarity. All wires should be labeled, easily secured, and run in conduit as required. Addressing devices. Each device must have a unique address. Use dip switches or a handheld programmer to set these. Refer to the address chart provided by the manufacturer. Double check for conflicts. Connecting to the FACP and annunciator. Connect the wiring to your control panel terminals or annunciator. Devices go on the SLC loop, NACs to the notification circuit terminals. Then connect your remote annunciator. It often just mirrors the main panel activity, but provides quick access at building entry. Programming. Use your configuration software or the panel keypad to assign each address to a zone, configure initiating devices, smoke, heat, or manual, set notification appliance types and patterns, program supervisory and trouble conditions. Testing the system. Once everything is wired and programmed, it's time to test. Activate smoke detectors, heat detectors, and pull stations. Confirm all notification appliances sound and strobe. Trigger a trouble condition, disconnect wire, to verify response. Clear all alarms and reset the system. And there you have it. A complete commercial grade fire alarm system installed, programmed, and tested in a residential application. Like, subscribe, and stay safe out there.